Welcome back to Smee Life. I'm continuing making my knife. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the bevel with a flat file by hand on this dowel on this jig. And I have another video coming out how I made that jig so that if you want to, you can build your own jig and make the knife bevel. So let's go ahead and get into this video and teach you guys how to find the center line and start making the bevel. Alright, now I have to make the center line. So I take my marker and I get the blade and just paint the blade, well, mark it up. So now I got it all colored up there. And all I do is lay it flat on my workbench, and then I get a 1/8 inch drill bit, since this piece of metal is 1/8 of an inch. And all you do is lay it flat on the ground, on the bench, and then just score a little line down the center. Bam, there we go. Now I got a center line scored in there. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, there's the line. Boom! Well, now I got my center line ready to go. Now I gotta go watch a YouTube video so I can figure out how to finish making the blade shape part. And then we'll come back and finish this up. So for you guys, see in like a second or two. So now, today, I am going to drill a hole here and here, somewhere in there, make some measurements so that this brass rod I have will fit to help hold on the handle, make it all nice and pretty. And also I looked on YouTube and watched a couple videos on my bevel, and we're going to make the bevel today. So let's get to it. When you're drilling metal, you always want some type of oil. I don't have like a drilling oil or anything, so I just use WD-40. It works. So let's get drilling the other hole. Well, I finished putting the bevel on my knife. Take a look. Check that out. That is awesome. Starting to look like a knife. Now I just need to clean it up. Oh, look. Flip it over. Look, I already started cleaning this side up. It's looking good. Put some sandpaper on there. So I'm just going to keep working on this. Cleaning it up so it looks all nice and shiny and pretty. Get all that dull gray color off of there, and so it looks all nice and shiny. And then then I can just heat treat it. If you want a chance to win the paracord keychain here, all you got to do is go back, watch the first video, and in that video I'll tell you how to win as well. Just got to subscribe, comment, like, and share each of these knife making videos, and then once the knife is complete, I'll make a following video announcing the winner. And that's all you got to do. And as always, thanks for watching, and Smee will see you next time.